Looking for an honest Chop AI review before you subscribe? If you create YouTube videos, podcasts, or interviews, editing long videos into shorts can take hours. Chop AI promises to find the best moments automatically and turn them into viral-ready clips. But is it actually worth using? In this Chop AI review, I'll show you everything you need to know. Hello everyone, welcome back. First, visit the official Chop AI website and click Sign Up. Create a free account with your Google account or email. Then log in to access the dashboard. The dashboard is clean and beginner-friendly. Click New Project and upload a YouTube video, podcast, webinar, or any long-form video. Once the upload is complete, Chop AI starts analyzing your content automatically. For this demo, I uploaded a long video. Within a few minutes, the AI detected the most engaging moments and created several short clips. Each clip includes AI-generated captions and is already formatted for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Click any clip to preview it. You can trim the beginning or ending, edit captions, change fonts, update colors, add your branding, and switch the aspect ratio to 9:16 for short-form content. If the AI misses a perfect moment, you can manually adjust the timeline before exporting. One feature I really like in this Chop AI review is the AI highlight detection. Instead of watching an hour-long video yourself, Chop AI automatically finds the most interesting sections, saving a huge amount of editing time. The automatic captions are also accurate and require very little editing. Now let's talk about the subscription. New users can usually explore the platform with limited features or a free trial, while paid plans unlock more upload minutes, additional exports, faster processing, and advanced editing tools. If you create content every week, the paid plan can quickly pay for itself by reducing editing time. Of course, it's not perfect. AI won't always choose the exact clips you would pick, so you may occasionally need to make small edits before publishing. And export limits and premium features also depend on your subscription plan. After testing it for this Chop AI review, I think it's an excellent tool for YouTubers, podcasters, coaches, and marketers who regularly turn long videos into short-form content. The workflow is simple, the AI saves time, and the final clips look professional with minimal effort. If this Chop AI review helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI reviews and tutorials, and let me know which AI tool I should review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.